Air transport vehicles name and sounds.
Flycam. Flycam, a small, unmanned aerial vehicle, UAV, commonly known as a drone, used for capturing aerial footage or for recreational flying. Tilt rotor. Tilt rotor, an aircraft that combines the vertical lift capability of a helicopter with the speed and range of a fixed-wing aircraft. The rotors can tilt to allow for vertical takeoff and landing, as well as forward flight. Beluga Airbus. Beluga Airbus, a specialized cargo aircraft developed by Airbus to transport oversized air cargo, particularly aircraft components. Its unique bulbous shape resembles a beluga whale, hence the name. Hot air balloon. Hot air balloon, a lighter-than-air aircraft that consists of a large balloon filled with heated air, which causes it to rise and float in the sky. The balloon carries passengers in a basket suspended beneath it. Search and rescue helicopter. Search and rescue helicopter, a helicopter specifically equipped for search and rescue missions, often used in remote or difficult-to-access areas. Space shuttle.
T-minus 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Space shuttle,
Booster
a
ignition
reusable spacecraft
and liftoff of
developed by
Discovery,
NASA for missions to
hoisting
low Earth
harmony to the
orbit.
heavens, and
It was
opening
used
new
to deploy
gateways for
satellites,
international
service
science.
space stations,
Discovery has
and
cleared the
conduct
tower.
scientific research.
Houston now controlling.
Roll program.
Roger, roll, Discovery.
Water bomber plane. Water bomber plane, similar to the fire bomber aircraft, but specifically designed to scoop water from lakes or rivers and drop it on wildfires. Ambulance helicopter. Ambulance helicopter, also known as a medevac helicopter, it is used for emergency medical services to transport critically ill or injured patients to hospitals. Coast Guard helicopter. Coast Guard helicopter, a helicopter used by the Coast Guard for missions such as search and rescue, surveillance, and maritime law enforcement. Military transport helicopter. Military transport helicopter, a helicopter designed to transport troops, equipment, and supplies in military operations. Examples include the CH-47 Chinook and the Sikorsky A-60 Black Hawk. Agricultural aircraft. Agricultural aircraft, also known as crop dusters, these are aircraft used in farming to apply pesticides, fertilizers, or seeds to crops. Attack plane. Attack plane, a military aircraft designed for air-to-ground missions, capable of striking ground targets with precision. Examples include the A-10 Thunderbolt II and the Sukhoi Su-25. Maritime patrol aircraft. Maritime patrol aircraft, a military aircraft designed to operate over water, conducting tasks such as anti-submarine warfare, reconnaissance, and search and rescue. Helicopter. Helicopter, a type of rotorcraft in which lift and thrust are supplied by horizontally spinning rotors, allowing it to take off and land vertically, hover, and fly in any direction. Police helicopter. Police helicopter, a helicopter used by law enforcement for tasks such as surveillance, pursuit, traffic control, and search and rescue operations. Jumbo jet. Jumbo jet, a term commonly used to describe large, wide-body commercial airliners. The Boeing 747 is the most famous example of a jumbo jet. Blimp. Blimp, a type of airship that is non-rigid, meaning it maintains its shape due to the pressure of the gas inside. Blimps are often used for advertising, surveillance, or observation. Seaplane. Seaplane, an aircraft capable of taking off and landing on water. Seaplanes are equipped with floats or a hull instead of wheels. Firebomber aircraft. Firebomber aircraft, an aircraft designed to fight wildfires by dropping water or fire retardant on the flames from the air. These planes are often retrofitted from older military or commercial aircraft. Private jet. Private jet. A jet aircraft designed for private use, typically by individuals or companies, offering luxury and convenience for personal or business travel. Military drone. Military drone. An unmanned aerial vehicle, UAV, used by the military for surveillance, reconnaissance, and combat missions. Drones can be remotely piloted or fly autonomously. Military helicopter. Military helicopter. A helicopter used by the military for various roles, including transport, reconnaissance, search and rescue, and combat operations. Cargo jet. Cargo jet. A jet aircraft designed or modified to transport goods and cargo instead of passengers. Examples include the Boeing 747-8F and the Antonov AN-124. Firefighting helicopter. Firefighting helicopter. A helicopter equipped with water tanks or buckets to help extinguish wildfires. These helicopters can hover over water sources to refill and then drop water directly onto fires.